service with the air arms apart from the Czech Republic, Hungary, South Africa and Thailand.
The aircraft can go down to
It's a whole bunch of I just wonder when the Swiss get their hands on this, whether they'll
Yes, that is also very pleasing, but the situation is a little bit different because there is a lot of Russian traffic flying around.
So here he comes now, Martin, just coming into touchdown. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, please give him a wave. He's been working really hard for you there, and it's lovely to see so many international visitors here at Waddington. Well done, Martin. Superb piece of flying.
Yeah, very good display from the Czech Air Force Saab Jas39C Gripen. Vladimir, thank you very much indeed for joining us. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
It's been an honor to be at this great show.
Thank you very much. It is for us too. And we look forward in future to seeing some of the next generation Gripens on display, not least because the first pre-production example of the single-seat Gripen E variant actually started to be built on Wednesday of the week just gone.
Well,